So there do seem to be some examples of rudimentary systems of combination in different sorts of non-human primates, like Campbell's monkeys, for example. It turns out that they make a distinction between root forms, especially sort of hawk and crack, sort of the onomatopoetic versions of their calls. So these roots, and suffixes like oo, right? And the combination of these roots and suffixes, so hawk oo or crack oo, right? And their combination allows the monkeys to describe both the nature of a threat and its degree of danger, right? So they sort of have some sort of very basic meaning differences depending on the combination of the root and the suffix. And it turns out that putty-nosed monkeys, like this guy, also seem to have a rudimentary combinatorial system. So in these sort of onomatopoetic versions of these calls, but pyows, right, are used as general calls, like, hey, there's a problem, there's an alert. But hacks are usually related to raptors, like there's an eagle, right? So if you have a pyow, it's not an eagle. If you have an haka, it is an eagle. But this is the combinatorial part. A small number of pyows, like pyow, 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 followed by a small number of hacks, hack, 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 have a distinguished status and trigger group movement, right? So pyow is, hey, there's a problem. Hack, there's an eagle, but pyow, 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 hack, hack means let's get out of here, right? So there's some sort of a combination that's going on with these pyows and hacks. And TD monkeys, these guys, very cute, also have something like a rudimentary combinatorial system. Again, ways of sort of very combining pieces together in a very basic or rudimentary way. So there's just two calls, and here they don't even bother with the onomatopoeia. They just say, let's call them A and B. Great, so call A and call B. These TD monkeys encode information about both the predator type and the location, right? So that raptor in the canopy might be AAAA, raptor on the ground might be AAA, BBB, cat in the canopy is A followed by a bunch of B's, and cat on the ground is a whole bunch of B's, right? So we have four distinct sequences that correspond to four distinct meanings that are sort of, as humans, we can break up into pieces. So the idea is that this is the same thing that's going on with these TD monkeys, is they have these pieces that they are combining in this very basic way to give rise to four different options. So again, a rudimentary combinatorial system, nothing near as complex as what humans can do, but some very basic ability to combine things together to create a larger meaning.